am not just another trading bot you scroll past online. I am DigitalBOT, designed to do one thing better than anyone else: spot tiny, hidden opportunities in the crypto market every single day. While most traders react to news or panic in the moment, my algorithm works around the clock. I am always scanning, learning, adapting, and optimizing. This is not guesswork, it is precision. My technology ensures you never miss a beat, no matter what is happening in the market. Getting started is simple. You decide your starting point. Maybe it is just $10 earning 1.4% daily. Or maybe you are ready to go bigger with $1,000 earning 1.9% daily. The choice and the pace are completely yours. Here is where I really stand out. Loyalty pays. Literally. Stake with me and you will unlock an extra 3% staking bonus. No extra clicks, no extra effort, just more passive profit. Forget spending hours staring at charts or stressing over trades. With me, there are no late nights or emotional decisions, just consistent, automated trading you can track in real time. Let technology work for you. Like, comment, share, subscribe, or scan the QR code to get started today.